So we all have talents and skills. See, using a mobile app is not necessarily going to mean you're actually using your own talent, your own gift, right? We're just using the ability of being able to get in a car or get on a bike or a moped and make money. But the one thing that I want us to really start thinking about is that many of you have the talent, skills, and abilities already that can help you to start making this extra money that you need. Okay. So if you have a pen and paper, I want you to write that down. That you have talent, skills, and abilities right now that you can use to start making additional money. And when you start having that mindset and you really start putting that into action, things are going to start changing in your life. Okay. Now, the reason why I want us to get into this mindset, I want you to get into this habit of going after what it is that you truly desire, because I want you to achieve and go after more, right? If you have a 9 to 5 job, most of us take a 9 to 5 job and we already have it in our minds like, I need to make fill in the blank. I need to make this amount of money so I can pay my rent. I can make sure I have groceries, pay my light bills. If you have a car, pay my car note, car insurance, gas, all of other things. But then life does happen. And then you start having these other desires. You start having desires to have a family. You start having a desire to want to travel. You might want to buy a house. You might want to buy multiple houses and multiple homes. And your 9 to 5 job might not be able to do that. The reality is that everyone in a company is not going to make 6 figures, right? So if you're that person, and even people that make 6 figures, depending on where they live, depending on their expenses, they still may not make enough money to do all the other things. There's a lot of people out there who are making 6 figures well into, I'm not talking about $100,000. I'm talking about maybe $200,000. They may have a lot of debt. They might be taking care of a loved one, and they still don't have the money to go out there and do what they really desire. So this is why we're having this conversation today, because I want you to start to think about, what is one thing that I can do? What is the one gift that I have? What is the one talent that I have that I can start to use to start making me extra money? And if